In order to train a new model, go to the Deploys tab. In this form, give your model a name as well as a description. And this email will be used to notify once your model has finished training. And from the list of diseases that you have already recorded images on, select how much ever you want. You have to select a minimum of 2 and hit train. Give it a second. You would get this output, and you would have to wait for some time till you get an email saying that your model has finished training. So once you get an email like this, you can go back to the home page, and once you hit reload, voila, your model is ready to be deployed.